Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous rustic themed bridal bouquet. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I am going to use the silver Bowdabra bow wire this time because for some reason I think about silver when I do weddings. So I'm going to fold this in half, lay this down into my Bowdabra, just so tuck it underneath. And then I'm going to take my flowers for the bouquet, and I'm just going to lay this in here, lay this one in, and they're going to be really tight, but that's the way a bouquet is supposed to be. Lay this in there, and I want to make sure that all of my stems are the same length because I've cut them the same length so that all the flowers will be evenly placed. And then it's also easy for the bride to carry the bouquet because you have all the stems together. Then I'm just going to put this one going that way and this one in here. Make sure my stems are all the same length. They are. Now I'm going to take my Amelia ribbon and lay this down here, and then I'm going to take my burlap. Now what I've done is curled the ends already, so we rolled them rather than dovetailing them because it's more elegant for a bouquet. And this bouquet is so rustic and pretty. So now what I'm going to do is take my my ribbon here. I think this is the right side. So I'm going to take it like this and twist it. Then I'm going to fold it back over and twist and fold and twist. So I'm just twisting so that the right side of the ribbon is on the outside of my loops. And I'm just going to fold it back over and twist, fold it back over and twist. And now I'm just going to fold this over here and scrunch that in. And now I'm going to take my burlap and I want to twist it and fold it back over. Whoops. And twist and fold this over and twist. So basically this is our fold and twist bow. We have a lot of different bows you can make with the Bowdabra. We have over 800 videos on YouTube that show you a variety of different ways to use it. So just keep watching on the playlists for all the Bowdabra videos. And I'm going to fold this back over and twist it and bring this, bring that over here and get that caught there, twist it. And then now I'm just going to make about a half a loop and lay that down into my Bowdabra, and that's going to be my little button loop. And I'm just going to take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch it in, so you can see how easy it is to make your bouquet right in the Bowdabra. And now what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra wire, and the reason I folded my Bowdabra bow wire in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to push everything down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out of the Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie it really tight. So we're just going to knot, and that's the other great thing about the Bowdabra bow wire is it's very strong. So I'm going to, before I do that though, I'm going to just flip my loops around this way. And now I'm going to tie it off. So I'll tie it again, give it one more tight thing, and then now I'm just going to tie it off. And if you wanted, you could just wrap this around the bottom here and wrap this so that all of your stems are together and it's easy for the bride to hold it. Just bring that around. Now you don't have to wrap it, but I think it just sort of adds a little bit to it. And I'm just going to again tie it. And then all I'm going to do is just twist it a few times. We're just going to twist the wire. And now I'm just going to clip it because the twist will hold it. And then I'm going to now shape out my bow and push that up there. Start by shaping my center loop, and I'm going to go to the back here and bring all of my loops around. Bring this here, bring this one here, this, shape it here, and bring this here, bring down my tails, so that's all to the front, and bring this tail down here, and you have a gorgeous rustic bouquet. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.